¿Me das un cafecito con un poquito de leche y algún pancito que tengas?
Claro que sí. En un momentito te lo traigo.
Did you hear that? Cafecito, poquito, pancito, momentito. What's going on with all those little words ending in ito or ita? Is everything in Spanish small? Hola amigos, Jim here from Spanish and Go, and today I'm going to show you why diminutives are so common in Spanish, what they really mean, and how you can use them to sound more natural, friendlier, and even funnier when you speak Spanish. Empecemos. So what exactly is a diminutive? In Spanish, diminutives are little endings we add to words like ito, ita, cito, or ecito to tweak the meaning. And no, it's not just about making things sound small. Sure, sometimes it is, like when you're talking about a perrito, a little dog, or a casita, a little house, but other times it's about adding warmth, making things sound cuter or more familiar, like adding a friendly smile to your words. And sometimes it's just for fun, to be playful or even a little sarcastic. Yeah, diminutives in Spanish can do it all. I'm gonna break it all down with real everyday examples, and there's even a quick quiz at the end to test what you've learned. Sound good? Vamos. Let's start with the most obvious use, talking about small things. Just like you'd say little cat or tiny house in English, in Spanish we turn it into gatito or casita. You'll hear this constantly, especially with objects, toys, or animals. Mira ese perrito, que chiquitito, me encanta, parece de peluche. Easy, right? Well, let's go deeper. Next up, affection. Spanish speakers love using diminutives when talking to friends, family, pets, sometimes even strangers if the vibe is friendly. It's like turning a word into a hug, softening it, making it warmer. A simple name like Ana suddenly feels more loving as Anita. Carlos becomes Carlitos, and with family you'll hear words like mamita or papito. It's not about size anymore, it's about closeness and making people feel special.
¿Estás bien?
Todo bien. Estoy esperando a mi mamita que viene con mi hermanito de la escuela.
And speaking of cariño, the best way to feel that warmth for yourself is to use Spanish out in the real world. If you love guided practice with locals in places like Oaxaca, Guanajuato, Mérida, or Mexico City, join one of our one-week Spanish immersion retreats. 1 week with us can transform your Spanish. Spots sell out really fast, so check the link below and reserve yours today. Here's a really interesting one. In Spanish, diminutives often make requests softer. A straight command can sound harsh. Add a diminutive and you're saying, "Hey, I'm nice. Can you help me out?" Even if the thing you're asking for isn't so small, you still use it.
¿Me traes un poquito de agua, porfa? Tengo mucha sed.
Sí, ya te traigo. Aquí tienes un vasito de agua.
Muchísimas gracias.
Okay, now it gets more fun. Sometimes people use diminutives ironically. Imagine your friend rolls up in a huge truck, like monster truck huge, and I say with a grin, "¿Qué camionetita te compraste, eh?" Nice little truck you got yourself, huh? Or let's say your friend walks into a party wearing this over-the-top, sparkly suit that could probably blind someone if the light hit it just right. Uy, qué trajecito tan discreto, amigo. Wow, what a super subtle little suit you're wearing, my guy. This one surprises people. In places like Mexico, Argentina, and Colombia, they sometimes use diminutives to intensify. Yes, to mean more. Like carito o baratita to say something's very expensive or very cheap. Or calorcito to say it's really hot. Carito, ¿no? Mejor busquemos algo más baratito. And diminutives can change by region. In Spain, you'll hear illo or illa, perrillo, camecilla. In Mexico, ito and ita are everywhere. Amiguito, cafecito, casita. In Colombia and Costa Rica, you'll hear ico and ica, momentico, ratico, chiquitico. And a fun little fact, Costa Ricans are nicknamed ticos because they love using ico in everything. And that pancito I ordered, even that changes. They say pancito in Argentina, Uruguay, Chile. They say panecito in Mexico, Colombia, Peru, and panecillo in Spain. Same meaning, different flavor. Quick quiz. How would you say these in diminutive form? Ready? Perro. Flor. café. And if you got these as answers, you're doing great. Perrito, florecita, cafecito. Easy, right? Spanish diminutives are more than cute endings. They're culture, emotion, a joke, and sometimes a polite nudge. Now that you know, you'll start hearing them everywhere. Listen next time someone orders un cafecito or says momentito. Comment below. What's your favorite diminutive in Spanish? And hey, if you want to take your Spanish to the next level, check out our Spanish immersion retreats. Spots fill up rápidamente, so grab yours soon. You can learn more on our website at SpanishAndGo.com/immersion-retreats or click the link in the description. Remember, el camino es el destino, the journey is the destination, and nos vemos prontito.